Good morning, student. In previous video, we are talking about macronutrients, carbohydrate, protein, and fats. Today, we are talking about micronutrients. And micronutrients are the nutrients that require in our body by a small quantity. It further divided into two parts: vitamins and mineral. If we talk about vitamins, vitamins are complex chemical solution which are required in our body in a small quantity. Vitamins are not provide energy. It help in the maintenance of cells and tissues. Maintenance of cells and tissues. Vitamin categorized or divided into two parts: fat soluble and water soluble. Fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E, and K, and water soluble vitamin are B and C. Fat soluble vitamin are those vitamin who soluble in fat, as well as these vitamins are stored in our body. Stored in our body. If we talk about first fat soluble vitamin, vitamin A. Vitamin A is also known as retinol. It is the chemical name. Retinol is the chemical name of vitamin A. It needed for body growth and development. विटामिन ए हम लोगों की बॉडी में ग्रोथ और डेवलपमेंट का वर्क करती है. डिफिशियंसी ऑफ विटामिन ए कॉज नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस. Deficiency of vitamin A cause night blindness. As we all know about that disease, a person who suffering from night blindness, he cannot see in dim light. It is found in carrot, apple, milk, and many more other products. Vitamin A sources are carrot, apple, milk, and other. Now we are move on to our next vitamin, vitamin D. Vitamin D are found in the form of white crystalline form in nature. It responsible for strong bones. Vitamin D is responsible for strong bones and teeth. It helps in absorption of calcium and phosphorus. In our body, deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets, dental cavity, and osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a disease that related with bones. In such disease, weakness of bones or brittle bones are common example. It is found in milk. Vitamin D found in milk, butter, fish oil, and green vegetables. The main component of vitamin D is sunshine. Sunshine is a vital source of get vitamin D. Now we move on to next vitamin, vitamin E. Vitamin E is important to protect cell membrane. Protect cell membrane. It also acts as a antioxidant. It is also act as a antioxidant. It maintains normal functioning of reproductive organ. It maintains normal functioning of reproductive organ. Deficiency of vitamin A. Deficiency of vitamin A cause paralysis. Paralysis, slow growth and degeneration of muscles. It means our muscles cannot grow properly, as well as it also causes paralysis. Our one side body organs, muscles, parts cannot be work properly. Sources of vitamin A. It is found in nuts, turmeric, egg, leafy vegetable like spinach and grains. Now we are move on to vitamin K. Vitamin K is also a fat soluble vitamin. It is used for blood clotting and heal bound. It is used for blood clotting and heal bound. Due to deficiency of vitamin K, a person suffering from anemia. Anemia, it means in our body lacking of blood. Lacking of blood is known as anemia. Vitamin K main sources are spinach, cabbage, cereals, etc. Now we move on to water soluble vitamin. Water soluble vitamins divided into two parts. Vitamin B. Vitamin B is known as water soluble vitamin. These vitamins are not stored in our body. These vitamins like vitamin B and vitamin C, water soluble vitamin, are not stored in our body. That's why these vitamins required in our body frequently. They are required frequently in our body. Vitamin B is a group of 8 subvitamin. Vitamin B categorized into 8 subvitamin. It is B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, B12. Vitamin B causes beriberi, a disease called beriberi. Sources of vitamin B is meat, egg, milk, pea, banana, etc. Move on to next vitamin, vitamin C. Vitamin C is called ascorbic acid. Vitamin C is called ascorbic acid. It is the chemical name of vitamin C. Vitamin C found in nature in a white crystalline form. It is found in nature in a crystalline form, white crystalline form. It is helpful in healing bound. It is helpful in healing bound, and it also helpful in absorbing calcium in our body. Vitamin C work as antioxidant. Vitamin C work as antioxidant. Deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. The sources of vitamin C is lemon, orange, amla, tomato, green chilies, etc. Vitamin C mainly found in citrus fruit. Citrus fruit, it means khatte. Citrus fruit. Our next topic is mineral